guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know yet exactly what, because I do film these intros ahead of time. So now I gotta think of what I'm gonna make.
So over on my community tab, I asked you guys which stores you wanted me to make some dupes from, and a few of you answered Kirkland. So that's what I'm going to be making today. This is not the best picture, but hey, you know what? We work with what we have. So I'm going to be recreating this gray wash wreath, which is so beautiful. I love the colors. I just love the complete feel of it. For $34.99 though, I don't think so. I'm going to make it for less. And then I'm also going to be recreating this hanging quad wall plaque with the little glass vases. Again, you know, it's my recreation of it, but we're not going to spend, what is it, $20.99 on sale. Either way, that's too much for me. So we're going to go ahead and do it on a budget.
Yeah, so if this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. All right, let's get on to the DIYs.
Completely unrelated to the Kirkland dupes though, I am going to start out with these candle holders, and I'm using one of these packs of the Dollar Tree glasses. I don't know what you put on here, like parfait glasses or something. They come in a pack of 6. I'm going to use all 6 of them for 2 different candle holders. I'm going to use 4 pieces for one and then 2 pieces for the other one. And then I'm just going to stack these and hot glue them together. And this is going to be one candle holder. And then on the second one, I'm going to do the same thing and then stack the other pieces on top. So just end to end. And then I'm also going to be taking some white mixed with pewter gray. And it's apple barrel acrylic paint. I'm going to mix them together to start painting them. And I apologize, you guys. Sometimes I don't realize that I'm not fully in the picture. You know, I just get distracted because I'm working. So I am going to link those 2 colors at the bottom also. If you guys are wondering what colors I'm using. So using the Dollar Tree wooden blocks, I'm going to make 2 separate bases. For each base, I'm going to use 12 pieces of the Jenga blocks or wood blocks. And as you can see, the way that I'm gluing them together, it's like vertical, horizontal, just to give it a little bit of a different look. So I did give these candle holders 2 coats of that paint, and then just to cover up the edges or the parts where I glued them together, I'm going to take this Walmart jute rope and just wrap it around. You guys obviously can use Dollar Tree twine to make it fully Dollar Tree, but I use what I have, but I will always give you guys suggestions of what you can use to replace that, if you know what I mean. And this is going to run you $2. $1 for the Jenga block box, and then $1 for the pack of the cups. So on to the next dupe. I'm using one of these newer Dollar Tree wreaths. I could not find the ones that have like the thicker branches, which that's what I was looking for, but I'm going to work with what I have. Today I did not have my full stems of my lamb's ear, which is exactly what I needed to replicate this wreath to a T, but it's okay. As you guys can see, I have these big old bags of extra greenery leaves, just stuff that I never throw away, you know, for a rainy day. And then we're going to be using some of these little like green bead looking things, or like the berries, and then these pink blossoms from Dollar Tree. So I am going to untie this, and I'm going to fluff it out as much as I can. Like I mentioned, I needed the wreath that has the thicker branches. This one is basically like the branch and then a bunch of little twigs surrounded, so it didn't really match my look, but it's okay. Like I said, we work with what we have. So again, I'm just gonna fluff it out as best as I can, just carefully trying not to break them completely. And then once I'm done, I will go ahead and wrap it with some twine on the 4 ends. I know it's a circle, but you know, like on the 4 sides, and I'm just gonna tie it loosely just so it keeps that fluffed out look.
Let you down, and I know that I was not always around. I made you feel
So here I'm just taking a little bit of paint with a brush, just going over it back and forth, just to try to get that whitewashed or gray washed look. And then once it's painted, I'm just gonna follow along with my picture and add all of my greenery and flowers.
You asked before, and I know I was wrong. It's what I try to tell you with my song, tell you with my song. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I'd make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I'll ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. When I close my eyes, you know that you're the only thing I see, and it makes me cry to think that you are no longer with me. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while?
So this is the final look on mine. I'm gonna say I spent $2 on it for the wreath and the pink blossoms just because I had everything already laying around. If you wanna, get technical, you might spend $5 compared to $35 for the Kirkland one. And last but not least, on this one, I'll be using two 8x10 canvases from Dollar Tree. I don't really care too much about taking the staples out. That's too much work. So I'm just going to take the canvas off, and then I'm going to only be using the frames for this.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it.
So for each frame, I'll be using one dowel, and I believe these are from Dollar Tree. If not, they might be from Walmart, which either way, they're not too expensive for the pack because you get multiple ones in there. So anyways, I'm just going to measure it out, and then taking this Dollar Tree hand saw, I'm going to cut it apart, or cut it off, cut it down. God. You guys, sometimes I can't word, it's late, I've been busy, so forgive me if I can't speak right. So I'm just taking that pewter gray and white mixed together. At first I was just gonna brush it along and not completely cover it, but I changed my mind. I completely covered it with the paint, and then after that I did take some white on top of that to make it look a little bit more distressed. Before I did that though, I did take my little sanding block and I just sanded it down a little bit, and I didn't even tell you guys how I added the dowels on there. Pretty simple, just stick them right through. If you measure them right, they should be nice and snug. If not, you can just add a little dollop of hot glue. And depending on how many of these you make, I'm just going to be using one pack of these shot glasses from Walmart. Not Walmart, Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 6. Did I already say that? I don't know. But I'm only going to use 4 for each frame. OMG, I feel like I need to re-record this. But you know what? We're on a roll. Let's keep going. So taking my Walmart jute rope, I'm going to wrap it around the top of each shot glass. So on the other end of the rope, I'm going to make a nice little knot, and because I don't want to drill any holes, but I still want to make it look like this is going through the wood, I'm going to glue that knot right to the top, and then I'll flip the frame around and then glue the rope on the back, and you guys will see what I mean. So I did not paint the back of this, just so you guys know. The staples are still there. I mean, it's going to be against the wall. It doesn't really matter to me because I might have to reuse this thing for a different DIY anyways. But if you want to keep it up for a while, you know what? Finish it off like as if you actually bought it from the store.
But I guess
To finish the look, I am going to be using some lavender, and these beautiful stems are from Dollar Tree as well.
Won't you stay? Won't you stay?
So this is a final look on mine. I actually love the original. Even on sale though, $21. I don't really want to spend that much on it because I do like to, you know, change my decor around. So $6 for mine. $5 if you want to get technical, $1 for the dowels. You know, you get more dowels than just the 2, so you'll have a little extra, and then 2 extra shot glasses also.
Alright you guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you guys did enjoy this video, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.